If PC Life Insurance Norway app. The pros, the cons. The If PC Life Insurance Norway app is designed to make life insurance management fast, simple and convenient. Many assume it's only for checking policy details, but the surprising truth is that it allows claim submission, premium tracking, access to policy documents and personal updates all from a smartphone. Claims management is a key strength. You can submit claims, upload supporting documents, and monitor progress in real time, reducing the stress of traditional phone and mail processes. Digital policy documents are always available, making proof of coverage quick and easy. Premium tracking is clear and organized. The app provides reminders, shows past payments, and allows adjustments to payment methods. Personal details and minor coverage updates can also be managed directly in the app. Additional resources like facts and guides help policyholders understand benefits and make informed choices. There are a few limitations. Offline functionality is minimal, requiring an internet connection for most features. Uploading large documents can occasionally be slow, and advanced features such as detailed coverage projections or comparisons are better accessed on the desktop platform. In conclusion, the If PC Life Insurance Norway app is a practical and user-friendly tool for managing life insurance. Its main advantages are efficient claims handling, easy access to digital documents, and simple premium management. While some advanced features are desktop only, the app provides all the essentials for staying informed and in control of your coverage anytime, anywhere.